Hello guys, this is Deepak Chaurasia, and in my 16 year of IT experience, I have heard lot of people saying, Deepak, I am not able to grow in my life. I am stuck in the same situation from last 5 to 6 years. Are you also having same kind of question? Do you also feel that you are trying but you are not growing and you don't know what is the reason behind this? If that is the case, then watch my video till end to find all the answers. The first thing, if you are not growing in life, what could be the reason behind that? The reason is very simple. Your life is controlled by you. So you are the only reason to growing, or if you have a slow growth, no one else is the reason. Let me prove this by one point. Let us do an exercise. List out all the activities you do in your full day, daily basis in 24 hours. Write down such way that you do not miss any hour when you write those activities. Now let us cross mark all the activities which you are doing on daily basis, but those are not the mandatory activities and those are not adding any value in your life. Good if you did that. Now tick mark all the activities which you are doing on daily basis and which are actually improving your knowledge, enhancing your experience and making you more valuable on every passing day. Now all the activities which you have cross marked, consider those as valueless activities. Let us call it valueless activities. And all the activities which you have tick marked, let us call them as a valuable activities. Now if the time spent on valueless activities is greater than an hour and the time spent on valuable activities is less than 2 hours, then you are in trouble and you are unable to grow and you may face challenges in growing. What is the reason behind it? What is the science behind it? This math. Let us find that. Do you know what is the most important asset of our life? Hopefully by now you would have guessed. Yes, it is time. It is not jewels, it is not your bank balance, it is not your FD, not your real estate assets, not your home, nothing but the time. Why so? Let's take an example. Let's say a person is going to live 80 years of life. In that 80 years roughly we have 7 lakhs hours. In that 7 lakhs hours, if he spent 8 hours daily in sleeping, he is almost wasting 2,33,000 hours roughly. Now let's say daily he is traveling for office, so he is bare minimum, if we take 2 hours in the traveling, he must be spending almost more than 55,000 hours roughly in his lifetime. The same amount of time we can consider for meal, so 2 hours for full day meal, 1 hour morning, 1 hour evening. Except that if we consider the time spent in the job, let's say in your lifetime you are going to work 40 years, and if I consider 8 hours roughly for a day, you are going to spend more than 1,17,000 hours in your job. So roughly you will be left over with the time which is 1,44,000 hours, because 3 hours per day I have deducted for the daily activities, dressing up, for going to office, family time we spend. This 1,44,000 hours is not the cream time, it's not the best time which you can utilize, because in your old age you may be dependent. So this whole exercise teaches the time is the most precious and valuable asset for a human. We have very limited time on this planet Earth to achieve our dreams, fulfill our desires. So if we are spending this time, this most valuable asset of our life, in watching daily soaps, watching the movies which shows the rape and all kind of rubbish stuff which is not adding any value, and looking for the bogus news, spending hours in Facebook, WhatsApp, consuming unnecessary content which has been created, then after doing all this, do you really think you are really a worthy person to grow further in life and you can grow? Obviously not. So first thing what you need to do, you need to reverse the equation. The valueless activities should be done daily basis, maximum 1 or 1.5 hour, not more than that. And the valuable activities we must start doing at least more than 2 hours, a bare minimum 2 hours. So now what are the valuable activities? Valueless activities you can understand. What are the valuable activities? Like going gym, spending time on your mental health, physical health, spiritual health. When I say spiritual health, maybe you are doing meditation and all to connect to your higher power. Mental health, you may read good self-development books. For physical health, you may go gym, go for walk, do the marathons or whatever you like. So now you may have a question. If I start doing the valuable activity just by going gym and reading the book, will I able to grow in my career? How it is possible? One thing let me tell you, in your current situation, whatever you are doing, if you are keep going to do same thing, obviously you will be in the same situation. So if you want to achieve something different, you have to do something different, and that is the reason you need to start doing the better things which can improve you, can add value in your life and can add value in your people surrounding you. Now you still may have one more question and doubt. Deepak, telling it is very easy. How we can suddenly change our situation or life upside down, and how we can practice so easily to do something else while from years we are doing something else? If that is the question which is in your mind, then wait for the next video where I will teach you the tips and tricks which you can utilize to get this particular shift in your life, where willinglessly you will not bother about the activities, valueless activities, and you will be driven more about the valuable activities to do. If you really liked the video which I have made, do subscribe my channel, and for more such amazing and motivational videos, and take the actions which I mentioned in this video. As I mentioned before also, just watching the content is not going to make the difference. You need to take the action. If you do not know what to do, stay tuned, wait for my next video, and I'm going to give you all the hacks which is required to make this particular and permanent shift in your life. Once you are able to do that, your growth is going to happen. No one can stop you. Thanks. I'm your friend Deepak Chaurasia. Thanks a lot.